What's going on, everybody? Today is going to be a little bit of a different story time because, as you can tell, I'm on my bike. Check it out. Just want to show you guys my favorite thing about Miami Beach is this boardwalk. So I get to ride my bike. No hands. Ah! And I get to see beautiful ocean. And I want to share this with you guys. Takes me about 45 minutes to go from all the way down from South Point to around 69th Street. I usually have music playing, not at the moment since we're recording. And why do I have music playing? That way people know I'm coming without having to use this, which sometimes is important to use it. But otherwise, music is perfect. So I don't have to tell people, on your left, on your right, watch out. They can just hear me coming. I know what you're thinking. Santiago, that's so dangerous. You should use the wheel. Well, I do sometimes. Look, sometimes I go like this. I touch it, I tap it. It's just nicer. This way. You always have to watch out. Make sure there's no one coming, children, etc. Sometimes I stop here and do some pull-ups. Not today. I'm gonna keep going straight. It's a nice playground over there. You can park your bikes, bike rack, the ocean. This is a new project right here, designed by Oma, and this is called the Paragon. Very interesting project, as you can see. They've already broken ground, so we'll talk more about that later. All right, so this is part one. We're gonna end it here for editing purposes and start part two.